Hi friends, Miss Call again. Today we're going to be talking about some farm animals. The first one I have is, who can guess what animal this is? It's a cow, that's right. Now cows live on the farm and we use them for their dairy. And dairy is milk, cheese, but we also use it for meat. Cows like to eat grass. They eat about 40 pounds of food every single day. A typical day for a cow is 8 hours of sleeping, 8 hours of chewing their food, and 8 hours of sleeping. Now, did you know that cows are colorblind? They cannot see yet. They cannot see reds or greens. That's right. Next we have the goat. Now many goats live on the farm, and like the cow, we get dairy from them, like milk and cheese. But we can also use their hair because it's so nice and fluffy and thick. Their hair can be shaved and we make wool out of that, and we can then use that to make sweaters, scarves, hats, blankets, all kinds of stuff. Now, there is goats that live in the wild, like on the plains and mountains, and they actually are great climbers. They can jump up to 5 feet. Goats like to eat grass, grain, and hay. Next we have Aiden. Pay attention. I hope you're watching. That one is for you, Aiden. What is that? It's a pig. That's right, pig. Now pigs live on the farm but also in the wild, and some people like to keep them as pets. Pigs like to eat plants but also other animals. Now pigs' snout, which is their nose right there, the snout is actually a very, very important tool. They use it to find food in the ground and also feel the world around them. Pigs have very excellent sense of smell. And last but not least is what is that? That's right, it's the chicken. Now, did you know that chickens is the most common bird on earth? Most common bird on earth. Now, not all chickens look the same, but their body structure is very similar. They have tiny heads, plump body, their legs are covered in scales, and they have very sharp claws. Very sharp claws. Now we keep chickens on the farm for their eggs and meat, and they like to eat grains and vegetables. And believe it or not, chickens can fly a little bit. They can fly high enough to fly over the fence, even fly up on a tree. I hope you enjoy learning a little bit about farm animals, and I will see you next time. Bye.